Hi, I'm Kyle Parliament. Today in this video, I will be showing you how the Prime Solution Rotary Fan Press works. The Rotary Fan Press is an easy-to-use, cost-efficient dewatering solution that produces very dry cake with minimal oversight and maintenance. We offer multiple sizes and configurations to meet the needs of each customer. Today, we'll be looking at a 36 single rotary fan press as you see behind me. All our rotary fan presses work the same way. First, the feed sludge is brought into the unit using our rotary lobe feed pump, and the flow can be adjusted to the desired rate using our onboard touchscreen. Next, our proprietary emulsion prime blend polymer system dilutes and injects polymer into the sludge. This mixture of sludge and polymer is then pumped through the retention piping where the mixing and flocculation occur. You can see this happening by observing the sight tube located in the retention piping. The conditioned sludge is then fed to the channels through the slowly rotating patented filter screens. The rotary fan press works on pressure differential, so as the sludge is pumped into the channel on the press, the free water passes through the screens as the screens are vented to atmosphere, and the water seeks path of least resistance. Meanwhile, the solids are trapped between the slowly rotating filter screens and a cake plug is formed. This cake plug is held in place by the restrictor gate until the plug overcomes the gate pressure, which is set by the operator. The cake is then discharged through the chute to be disposed of. Operation of the rotary fan press may commence only after utility setup is complete, including sludge feed, water, electrical, and drain connections. Before operating the press, always make sure that the appropriate sludge testing has been completed to ensure the best results. A simple interactive touchscreen operates the press. We first press the power on button, which is located on the front of the electrical control panel. When the press is initially started, it must be run in bypass mode to make sure you have a good flock for processing. We will select this option from the operation screen. Then, initiate the sludge feed pump by choosing the start pump button on the operation screen. Adjust the sludge feed pump to the desired flow rate, then select polymer system on the screen and press Start Polymer System. Next, we will take a sample of the conditioned sludge from the sample valve. We are checking for a stable conditioned flock with clean, free water that may be squeezed without loosening the conditioned solids. From the operation screen, select Start Press and adjust speed to 30 to 40%. Next, we'll set the gate restriction pressure beginning at 20 psi. Open the supply valve to the dewatering channels and close the bypass to divert the sludge to the rotary fan press. The rotary fan press is equipped with an auto shutdown feature. After sludge processing is completed for the day, select the wash system screen, then navigate to the auto shutdown screen and press the start button. During the auto shutdown process, the machine will flush out all the piping and wash the screens, and then shut down, allowing for processing to begin the following session. This has been a brief overview of some of the basic functions of the rotary fan press. Thank you.